Hey, I'm Elly. So I'm always looking for ways to stay cool during those long gaming sessions. The gaming computer can sometimes be like a heater. This is the Marchpower Portable Fan, a rechargeable portable fan that's been making the rounds. This can be anyone who wants a personal cooling setup without using the aircon. And also very good choice for outdoor too. Let's unbox it, test it out, and see if it's worth adding to your setup. Unboxing is done. So inside the box, you'll find the fan itself. It has pure leather strap. There's also a tripod stand. I'd say it has a solid quality. That's perfect for setting up next to your monitor or even on the floor. The product is a USB-C charging cable. For added convenience, a remote control is provided and a carabiner clip is included. How to use the fan? I'll show you 3 modes. The first mode is if using the tripod stand. Here is how I do it. Attach the fan securely to the stand. The tripod stand is metal and heavy. There are 2 clips on the stand for you to unlock to enable the height adjustment. The folding legs can be locked by rotating this little thing. Once installed, place the fan on a leveled floor, and from the floor to the top of the fan can be anywhere between 31 centimeters to 102 centimeters. The second mode is if used without the stand. Simply put the fan on the desk and tilt it upwards. For hanging mode, see the picture on the package. This fan has a few things going for it that I think will make it great for you. On the fan itself, from left to right, the buttons are oscillating button, on and off button, and timer button. The wind speed is adjustable by pressing the on and off button, and it has 4 levels. Here are the demonstrations at various speeds. Hope you can get a sense of them. The best part I love during the heat is the airflow stays cool and refreshing, even outdoors in the scorching 36-degree Aussie summer. Also, I can still feel the breeze from 3 meters away while it's sitting off to the side of my desk. By pressing the oscillation button, it is perfect for covering a wider area if you want airflow across your whole desk. The fan runs super quietly, almost silent, so there's no annoying background noise in voice chat. Even at a max speed, it's still quieter than my PS5's fans, and probably quieter than the ones on your PC too. It has massive battery life as it runs for up to 30 hours on low or about 4 hours on full blast. The timer button offered settings are shown in the video. What I don't like is the remote is tiny. If you're prone to losing remotes, this one's going missing real quick. But you can stick it to the fan to prevent loss. The carabiner clip could be stronger because you can simply tell the quality of the clip is not really good. Alright, that's a wrap on this review. I'm really liking this addition to my game studio setup, and it's also a solid choice for outdoor camping. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. See you guys next time.